because CO2 gas does not burn itself, it also never helps to burn. So, the other aspect why it is extinguishing fire is that it is heavier than air. So, when the fire is burning, it is burning on the surface of oil. So, when you are going to extinguish it, we will use CO2 gas, and because the CO2 gas is heavier than air, it will displace the air around it. Fire is used instantly. Just so, when the CO2 gas giving a hissing sound was thrown on the oil fire, then the air was blanketed and oxygen did not come to the fire site due to want of oxygen, the fire extinguished. Now we are going to exhibit the same fire being extinguished by DCP fire extinguisher. DCP is such a chemical powder, when it reacts with the flame of the fire, it retards the radicals of free radicals of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, and it breaks the functioning of the flame. So you saw how a powder is capable of extinguishing oil fires. So you just learned how a powder is capable of extinguishing oil fires.
ତମେ ଦୂର କୁ ପଳା ଯଦି ସେ
ଆରେ ଅଣନିଶ୍ୱାସୀ ଏପଟକୁ ପଳେଇ ଆସ ଏଟା କାଇଁ
ସେ ପାଉଡର ପାଖରେ କାଇଁ ତମ ନା
very easy to handle the extinguisher. Now we will show you another type of fire. The fuel is just ordinary paper. It is a carbonaceous fire. Let the fire burn. Let the fire burn. So the water type extinguishers will be used. You see that fireman has come with water type fire extinguisher. That fire extinguisher contains only 9 liters of water. That water is kept under the pressure of a CO2 gas at a pressure of 12 kgf per centimeter square. So when the handle will be squeezed, the pressure will be released and water will be thrown over the fire. So water is extinguishing the fire by cooling method. As I told you in the class, everything will burn under its ignition temperature. Water has the capacity of cooling the fuel. So when water falls on the fuel, its burning temperature is reduced. So when that heat segment of the fire is taken away, the fire is automatically extinguished by cooling method. And the other method, what you saw, CO2 and DCP, the method of extinction was by covering method. Because by covering, we excluded the supply of oxygen. So due to want of oxygen, the fire was extinguished. As we cannot live without oxygen source, fire cannot exist without oxygen. Fire is life of CO2, oxygen is life of fire. Now, demonstrate before you a big fire. That fire you might have seen in your village, in your Alguni Utsava day, during Dora Purnima. So that kind of scenery we have prepared for you. Outside it is studded with straw and hay bundle. Inside that hay we have very thin dry wood fuel. So you will see the flame will rise high and that fire will be extinguished by using our hydrant system. We have a pump house here. There are 3 pumps, electrical pumps. When they are operated, they discharge water at a pressure of 2280 liters per minute. So we get water at a high pressure. We just set fire. And wait the fire on very
campfire, our fire,
upgrade with inferno, then wait, let the fire grow. So when the fire will grow to its peak, at the peak point, you just throw water and extinguish it very efficiently. Fire is a very good plant and it can extinguish it very efficiently. Now you can see the high-rise frame. See the height of them. You can see the warmth of the flame. So you get a very scenery of the start switching off the pump and extinguish it immediately. It will take very few seconds to extinguish it completely. Go to the float of the fire and see the fire is extinguished. You just create the height of your flame and see completely extinguish the fire. So leave no trace of a fire because a little fire can cause completely the flame. So I hope all our enjoy and now you show the height of the water lake. So the height of the water lake.
बंद करिए